This is how to stream on Kick using OBS in 1 minute. First, go to Kick and click on your profile. Then open the Creator dashboard and click Edit. Here, set up everything for your stream, your title, category, tags, and language. Next, click on Channel. You'll find your stream URL and stream key here. Now open OBS. In the Sources box, click the plus icon and add everything you want to show on stream, your screen, camera, or gameplay. After that, click Settings, then go to the Stream tab. Set the service to Custom. Copy the server URL and stream key from Kick and paste them into OBS. Next, go to the Output tab and apply this configuration. Then open the Video tab. Set your resolution to 1920 by 1080, and I recommend 60 FPS for smooth streaming. Click Apply, then OK. Finally, click Start Streaming. Your stream is now live. You can check it by going to the top left, clicking Stream, and you'll see it marked as Online. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more streaming and creator tutorials. See you in the next one.